Okay, this is the second video. Here we have a particle P. It says the particle moves at 3 meters per second for 3 seconds. So for every one along, it's going to go 3 up. And therefore in 3 seconds, it's going to go up to 9 like that. Let's just have a look to see its motion. We'll look at the motion several times. So look at the particle down the bottom here and the graph at the same time. So this is, so it goes up to 9, it rests there for 2 seconds, and then goes minus 2 meters per second for 7 seconds. Okay, so just reset that and we'll have a look at that again. So it goes up to 9, and then goes back down, waits for 2 seconds, and then goes back down, minus 2 for 7 seconds. For every one along, it's going to go 2 down. Okay, and then it goes up from 5 to 12, that's 7 seconds, so it ends at a final displacement of minus 5. Okay, so the gradient gives the velocity, so here we have a positive velocity because it's going upwards, and this gives a negative velocity, minus 2. Speed will just be 2. The total distance travel will be 9, and then all the way from 9 back down to minus 5 will be a 14. So 9 plus 14 will give 23, but the final displacement is just minus 5. So this sort of tells you the difference between distance and displacement, and maybe you can see that gradient of a distance to a displacement time graph gives you velocity, and it's the gradient of that gives you the velocity, and this gives a negative velocity, so velocity acting in an opposite direction. So I hope you've understood, and this GeoGebra App I'll put in the notes of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have understood.